Canva, Notion, I deleted them. And guess what? I don't regret it one bit because I found 8 free AI tools that replaced them. And honestly, they're game changers. First up, Vidnoz AI. Imagine turning boring text or images into full-blown videos automatically. Just paste your script or upload a pic, and boom, video done. No editing skills needed, totally free. Second, meet Otio, Notion's smarter cousin. It's built for researchers, students, and content creators. You can organize ideas, write, and even brainstorm with AI. Everything's smoother, and yes, it's free. Number 3, Patakha AI. This tool is seriously underrated. Ever had a random curiosity? Like, what if Elon Musk ran a coffee shop? Or, why does time feel faster as we grow older? Now imagine turning that into a personalized podcast in seconds. Yeah, Vidnoz AI is here again. That's how good it is. Use it for explainer videos, product demos, or even animated reels. It's your new video best friend. Point number 5 is Vidwud. And if you ever dreaded making PowerPoint slides, this is your lifesaver. Just enter a topic like Digital Marketing Trends 2025, hit Generate, and it instantly creates a full slide deck. Number 6 is Kling AI. This one's for creatives. Generate amazing images or video clips with AI, all from simple prompts. Think Midjourney plus Runway ML, but easier meet your AI data analyst, Julius. Just upload your data and ask questions like, what are the trends? Or can you forecast next month? It creates charts and predictions instantly. And last, Lexi AI, struggling with ads. Lexi writes high-performing meta ads for different audiences automatically. Copy, paste, run the ad, and watch the conversions come in. That's 8 free tools that just made Canva, Notion, and a bunch of others obsolete.
Subscribe to AI Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.